ABC Educational Channel. Today let's learn about singular and plural nouns. What is a singular and plural nouns? In short, this means that a singular noun refers to only one person or thing, and a plural noun refers to more than one person or thing. Most English nouns can be made plural simply by adding s to the end of the word. For example, boy is a singular noun, but if we add s at the end, it becomes boys, which is a plural noun. Let's have another example. Book, books. Flower, flowers. Crab, crabs. Bird, birds. Remember, but there are a few irregular plural nouns that are exceptions to that rule. Nouns with the singular form that ends in s, x, c, h, or s, h need to add es to become a plural noun. For example, bus, buses. Box, boxes. Watch, watches. Dish, dishes. Certain nouns that end in -om also need es to become plural. For example, potato, potatoes. Hero, heroes. Volcano, volcanoes. For nouns that the end in f or fe, change the f to a, v and add es. For example, knife, knives. Hoof, hose. Wolf, wolves. If a singular noun ends in a single or double consonant followed by y, change the y to I and add es. For example, lady, ladies. Bully, bullies. Spy, spies. If singular nouns ends in a vowel followed by y, just add s at the end of the word. Job well done, kids.